Hey guys, it's Fonzie, and we have a very fun video to work on together today. And this is one of my favorite style videos. It's a goofy mix, and we have no idea what the end result is gonna look like, and that always makes it more fun for us. So what we're gonna do is take our brightest color ever, Polaris Yellow, and mix it with our darkest color ever, Shadow Black. Two complete opposite sides of the spectrum coming together, and who knows what's gonna happen. Now there's a couple factors here that make this a specifically interesting mix. First is Shadow Black is already a satin color right out of the gallon. The Polaris is going into glossy dip pearl top coat. So what kind of a sheen are we gonna end up with when this is over? The second one is Polaris, if you've ever used it before, is not like a metallic pearl. It's more of a powdered pigment. So this is not going to be a large particle metallic pearl mixing into Shadow Black like we've seen before. It should actually mix into the Shadow Black like a tint. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to take a second here. I want you to go into the comment section below, and I want you to type in a comment of what you think is going to happen, what you think we're going to end up with when Polaris meets Shadow Black. Go ahead, I will wait. When this video is over, I want you to go back, I want you to find your comment and type in whether or not you were right or wrong. I have my own thoughts. Let's see how it goes. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is complete. Now, I had no idea what we were going to end up with on this one. If you guys predicted that we were going to end up with a deep, rich, satin forest green out of all things, then you're better than I am, because that is not what I guessed at all. I actually love the way this car looks. We don't have any other green that looks like it. We're going to take it outside in just a second. But if you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have tons of different colors to choose from. The kits include everything you need to get the job done, from the gallons, the sprayers, the accessories, everything. And if you have any questions at all, you know what to do. Chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in, because we love to talk to you guys about your questions and about your projects. Now let's go outside and check out this car. Thank everyone for watching and subscribing. I really enjoy doing these videos with you guys. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next one.